Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Share Experience. In the last video, we have seen how to rectify the errors before preparing the trial balance. In this video, we are going to rectify the errors after preparing the trial balance. Now we'll see the problem. The accountant of a firm finds that the trial balance as on 31st March 2019 is out by an excess debit of 283. He placed the amount in the suspense account. In the first week of April 2019, he discovered the following errors. Pass the journal entries necessary to rectify the errors and show the suspense account as it would appear at the end of the week. Here in the problem, they have clearly given that the trial balance is already prepared as on 31st March 2019. And after preparing the trial balance, we have got an excess debit of 283. Excess debit means we have more amount on the debit side of the trial balance. Here, debit balance and credit balance are not matching with each other in the trial balance. This excess debit of 283 is placed under suspense account temporarily. Whenever we get excess debit or excess credit after preparing the trial balance, we should always keep in mind that if the trial balance debits are larger than credits, the difference is recorded in the suspense account as a credit. If the trial balance credits are larger than debits, then the difference amount is recorded in the suspense account as a debit. We will understand this point while preparing the suspense account. Now we will see the errors. Our first error is cash paid to Amarnath 75 was posted to the credit of Amar Singh's account as 57. When we pay cash to anybody, we debit the person name and credit to cash. Here we have paid to Amarnath. So the correct entry is Amarnath debtor to cash account. Amount is 75. But by mistake we have posted on the credit side of Amar Singh's account as 57. Here we have two errors. One is wrong account and another one is wrong amount. To nullify or to correct our mistake, we have to debit Amar Singh's account with the same amount, that is 57, because we have already mentioned on the credit side, that is 57, so we are mentioning it on the debit side with the same amount. So the rectification entry is Amarnath's debtor, Amar Singh's debtor to suspense account. Now we will update the amounts. For Amarnath, correct amount is 75. For Amar Singh's amount is 57. Which is the wrong amount, and for suspense account it is 132. This rectification entry is the solution. Here we have included suspense account because we cannot leave the journal incomplete, as we know that we have an excess debit of 283 which we have placed under suspense account. Here we are trying to nullify the difference amount which we have placed in the suspense account by rectifying the errors. So we are using suspense account in the journal, not only to complete the journal entry. Our next error is discount allowed by Brijesh of 5 was not entered in the cash book, but Brijesh stands debited correctly. In the error it states discount allowed by Brijesh. That means we have received discount from Brijesh. Whenever we receive discount from our creditor or supplier, the entry is creditor named debtor to discount received account. Here we have received discount from Brijesh. So the entry is Brijesh debtor to discount received account and the amount is 5. The error says the discount received amount is not entered in the cash book. Also it says the Brijesh stands debited correctly, which means we have correctly debited to Brijesh. but not entered in the cash book. In the cash book, we mention discount allowed on the debit side and discount received on the credit side. Since we have not entered this in the cash book, the rectification entry is suspense account debtor to discount received account and the amount is 5. This rectification entry is the solution. Our next error is no entry was made for goods worth 40 taken away by proprietor for personal use. This is complete omission error. So we need to record the journal again. Whenever goods or cash withdrawn by the proprietor for personal use, we mention that amount under drawings account. So the rectification entry is drawings account debtor to purchases account. Amount is 40. This is the solution. Our next error is 500 received from Javeri brothers for interest on loan advance to them were recorded in the cash book, but the entry was not posted in the ledger. As per the error, we have received 500 from Javeri brothers and the same amount is recorded in the cash book. As we all know that on the debit side we record receipts and the credit side we record payments in the cash book. Here in the receipt side we have recorded 500. The error says we have not posted in the ledger. The correct entry for this transaction is cash account debtor to interest on advance account. What are the two accounts we have here? We have cash and we have interest on loan advanced account. We have already posted this in our cash book, but not posted in interest on loan advanced account. So, in the interest on loan advanced account, we have to mention the amount on the credit side as by cash 500. Since we have not mentioned by cash, we are using suspense account. So, the rectification entry is suspense account debtor to interest on loan advanced account. The amount is 500. This rectification entry is the solution. Next error is the total of returns outward book was short by 100. Returns outward is nothing but purchase returns book. We post the total amount of purchase returns book to the purchase returns account on the credit side as by sundries as per purchase returns book. Here the error is talking about this total. And the total that we have mentioned on the credit side in the purchase returns book is less by 100. To increase the total on the credit side by 100, we have to debit suspense account and credit purchase returns account or returns outwards account. Rectification entry is suspense account debtor to returns outwards account. The amount is 100. We have rectified all the errors. We are also asked to prepare suspense account in the question. As I mentioned earlier, excess debit should be mentioned on the credit side of the suspense account as by balance brought down. And excess credit should be mentioned on the debit side of suspense account as to balance brought down. In our question, we have 283 as excess debit. So we'll mention by balance brought down on the credit side and the amount is 283 in the suspense account. In the first rectification entry, we have Amarnath and Amar Singh account debited. This we will mention on the credit side in the suspense account. Amount is 75 and 57. In the second rectification entry, we have discount received account credited. So we will mention it on the debit side of the suspense account. Amount is 5. In the third rectification entry, there is no suspense account, so we can ignore it. In the fourth rectification entry, we have interest on loan advanced account credited. So we mention it on the debit side of the suspense account. Amount is 500. In our last rectification entry, we have returns outwards account on the credit side. So we will debit it in the suspense account. Amount is 100. Now we will add the amounts on both the sides. We get 605 on the debit side and 415 on the credit side. Usually in the suspense account, the debit balance and credit balance should match with each other. Here it is not matching with each other. So we are mentioning the higher amount, that is 605 on both the sides. And we will deduct 415 from 605. That comes to 190. This we will mention it in the credit side, and in the particulars column we will mention by balance carried down. And same amount we will bring down to the next week. Initially, as per the question, we had 283 as excess amount. Out of that, we have rectified only 93. That is 283 minus 190 comes to 93. We still have unidentified errors amounting to 190. So we get 190 as a debit balance in the suspense account. Hope you guys have understood the explanation. If you guys have any questions, please post in the comment section below. And if you guys like my explanation, or if you think this video is helpful to you guys, do not forget to click on the subscribe button and also share the video with your friends. And in the next video, we will solve a different type of problem. Thanks a lot for watching this video.